All right, let's dive into how AI can help you master your job and ace the PMP exam.
Feeling buried in project plans and PMP questions? Yeah, it's a lot to juggle for sure.
Well, your most powerful new tool is here. AI is a total game changer, so let's put it to work.
And this shift is happening fast. By 2030, it's estimated 80% of PM tasks will be run by AI.
Okay, first up, let's see how AI can be your new co-pilot and streamline your day-to-day work.
To get great results, you just need a good prompt. Remember, IRC, instruction, role, and context. This means you can instantly draft all those critical documents. Seriously, this can save you hours of work.
All right, that covers your day job. Now let's use that same power to tackle the PMP exam.
And here's the most crucial thing to get. This exam is situational. It's all about how you think.
So this is huge. Don't just ask for the answer. Ask the AI to explain the logic.
This whole method helps you practice that reflective thinking, which is exactly what the exam is looking for.
Okay, but here's maybe the most important thing to remember about all of this. It's a critical warning.
Always treat AI output like a first draft. The AI is a tool, but remember, you are the expert. Definitely avoid these common pitfalls. They can sabotage your prep and give you a false sense of readiness.
This is why human instructors and your own judgment are actually becoming more valuable, not less.
So the goal isn't to replace your judgment at all. It's all about making it even sharper.
Think of AI as a multiplier for your hard work, not just some magic shortcut to the finish line.
AI won't pass the exam for you, but will it train you to think like someone who can?